are you? Today, we draw a spicy hot pizza. First, we draw an outline for pizza. Then, we draw olives, tomatoes, cheese on it. Wow, looks yummy! Now we start different colors in my yummy pizza. It is looking good. Are you enjoying my yummy pizza? My pizza is ready. Yummy!